Ella wakes up early. She opens her eyes and sees the bright sun in the sky. There is light everywhere. Ella feels happy and full of energy. She sits up in her bed and stretches her arms. The room is warm and quiet. She listens carefully. There are birds singing outside. Their songs are soft and sweet. Ella gets out of bed. She walks to the window. She opens it slowly. The fresh wind comes into the room. It feels nice on her face. Ella takes a deep breath. She smells flowers from the garden. She smiles and says, "Today will be a good day." Ella goes to the bathroom. She washes her face with cool water. She brushes her teeth. After that, she combs her hair. Her hair is long and brown. She looks into the mirror and says, "You can do many good things today." Then Ella walks to the kitchen. There's a small table with a red chair. She sits down and thinks, "What should I eat today?" She makes a bowl of cereal. She pours some milk into the bowl. She eats slowly and enjoys the meal. She also drinks a cup of warm tea. The tea smells good. It tastes sweet and soft. After breakfast, Ella goes to her room. She opens her closet. There are many clothes inside. What dress should I wear? She thinks. She chooses her favorite dress. It is a yellow dress with small white flowers. Ella loves this dress very much. She puts it on and looks at herself in the mirror. She smiles and says, "You look nice today." Ella picks up her small bag. Inside the bag there is a book, a bottle of water, and a small snack. She thinks, there might be time to read later. She also takes her phone and keys. She checks everything twice to make sure she does not forget anything. Before leaving the house, Ella stands at the door. She looks around. Is there anything else she needs? No, everything is ready. She wears her white shoes. She ties the laces carefully. She opens the door and steps outside. The sun is warm. The air is fresh. There are some people walking on the street. Ella waves at her neighbor. Her neighbor smiles and waves back. Ella feels happy. She thinks, where should I go first? The park is not far. It is a good place to walk and enjoy the day. Ella starts walking slowly. She listens to the sounds around her. There are birds, children laughing, and cars passing. She feels lucky to live in such a nice place. Today is a special day, she says to herself. She can see many beautiful things. She can meet new people. She can enjoy every little moment. Ella walks with a light step. She feels free and joyful. She looks at the trees, the sky, and the flowers. Everything looks bright and full of life. Ella knows that today will be a very beautiful story. Ella walks to the park. It is not very far from her house. She walks slowly because she wants to enjoy the morning. The sky is blue, the sun is shining. There are many trees on the street. Their leaves move gently in the wind. When Ella arrives at the park, she smiles. The park is full of colors. The trees are green. The flowers are red, pink, yellow, and blue. Children play on the grass. Some run and some throw balls. There is music from a man playing a guitar. It sounds happy. Ella looks for a good place to sit. She finds a wooden bench near a big tree. She sits down and looks around. What can I see here, she thinks. There are birds flying from tree to tree. Some people walk their dogs. There are many happy faces. Ella feels peaceful. She watches a butterfly land on a flower. She counts how many butterflies she can see. 1, 2, 3. They fly like small rainbows in the air. Suddenly, Ella sees a small white cat. Where did this cat come from, she wonders. The cat walks very slowly to her. It has bright blue eyes and a soft tail. Ella puts her hand out. The cat smells her fingers. Then it jumps up and sits next to her on the bench. Ella pets the cat gently. Its fur is soft like a cloud. The cat purrs loudly. Ella laughs. She asks, "What is your name, little cat?" The cat looks at her and blinks. There's a little bell on the cat's collar. It makes a soft sound. Ella listens. She thinks, this cat might have a home, but where is its owner? She looks around but does not see anyone who might be the cat's owner. Ella continues to pet the cat. She feels happy. It is a simple moment, but it is beautiful. The cat rubs its head on Ella's arm. Ella laughs again. She says, "You are very sweet." There are many things happening in the park, but Ella only sees the cat now. She forgets about everything else. She thinks, sometimes a small thing can make a day very special. Ella stays there with the cat for a long time. She watches people walk by. Some smile at her and the cat. Some children point and say, "Look at the pretty cat." Ella waves at them. The sun is high in the sky now. It is warmer. Ella thinks, will the owner come soon? She does not know, but she feels lucky to have this quiet, happy moment with the little white cat. Ella looks around. She sees a girl running towards her. The girl is young, maybe 8 or 9 years old. She has short black hair and wears a green dress. Where did she come from, Ella thinks. The girl stops in front of Ella. She smiles and says hello. Ella smiles back and says hello too. The girl points to the white cat and says, "That is my cat. His name is Snow." Ella laughs and says, "Snow is very cute." The girl says her name is Nina. Nina says thank you to Ella for taking care of Snow. Ella says she is happy to meet Snow. Nina sits on the bench next to Ella. They start to talk. They talk about many things. They talk about cats, flowers, the trees, and the sunny day. Ella asks, "Do you come to this park every day?" Nina says yes. She says she likes the park very much. Ella says me too. Nina tells Ella about Snow. She says Snow likes to run and play. Snow likes to chase butterflies. Ella laughs and says, "Snow is a happy cat." They talk for a long time. They laugh many times. Ella feels very lucky. She thinks how nice it is to meet a new friend. Nina asks, "Can we walk together?" Ella says, "Yes, let's walk." They get up from the bench. Snow jumps down too. They walk slowly around the park. They watch the flowers. They count the butterflies. They listen to the birds. Ella feels happy. She thinks today might be one of the best days. There are simple things, but they bring big joy. As they walk, Nina says, "What is your favorite color?" Ella says, "I love yellow because it is bright like the sun." Nina says, "I love green because it is the color of trees." They find a small pond. There are ducks swimming in the water. "How many ducks are there?" Nina asks. Ella counts and says, "There are 5 ducks." The sun starts to go down. The sky turns orange and pink. It is very beautiful. Nina says, "Look at the sky." Ella says, "It is like a painting." They sit down on the grass. Snow plays near them. They watch the sunset together. Ella feels peaceful. She thinks, "I am very lucky today. I met a sweet cat and a kind new friend." Ella smiles and says to Nina, "Thank you for sharing this beautiful day." Nina smiles and says, "Thank you too." The day ends, but the memory stays in Ella's heart. She knows she will never forget this very beautiful story.